Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and if you're wondering or asking, Yvette, what type of ritual is there out there to help me grow my business, to be successful in my business, and also to help me with my career? You landed on the right video today because I'm going to give you a simple ritual that you can do within a couple of minutes to help change your life. The only thing you're going to need is a couple of sunflower seeds, a green candle, and a piece of paper. But before we get started, I'm asking you to watch this video all the way to the end because you guys know I love to throw in some extra tips. Other than that, if you're new to this channel, this is a metaphysical law of attraction channel that gives manifesting techniques in all different ways. So support this channel by liking, subscribing, and tapping the bell. Now, if you want to know this simple ritual that involves using a green candle and some sunflower seeds, keep watching. I'm back, everyone. Now, what is it that I have to tell you about this ritual that you can do in a couple of minutes to help grow your business, to help you succeed in your career? And listen, what I'm saying, it is very simple and it takes only a couple of minutes. Now, the thing is, you're going to need a green candle. Now, this can be any type of green candle. These right here is about 50 cents, or you can use Lalokin's A-Wins, which I use a lot for different things. This right here is for business success, and this green candle is for wealth. So you can follow your heart. Maybe you have other candles you're using, but I do need a green candle, everyone. The next thing you're going to do is get a couple of sunflower seeds. Now listen, the only thing I'm asking you to have is a few sunflower seeds, no more than that. Now, why are we using sunflower seeds and the color green? Green represents money. It represents abundance. It represents success. The same with sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds represent growth, okay? Ha-ha. There's always a method to my madness, okay? So sunflower seeds represent growth, and that's why we're using these two things. Now, again, I want you to stay because I got a couple of extra bonuses that I want to add to this to help you guys out. Now, one thing that you can do while you're focusing on what it is that you want, you can take a piece of paper. This is parchment paper, or you can use a notebook paper. And I want you to write out what it is that you want. Like something like, I am so very happy now that my business have taken off. At this moment, my business have taken off and now I'm making such and such as much amount of money a year. I am now having increased clientele. Whatever it is you want to say about your business. Now listen, I don't want you to make this up. I want it to be something from your heart that you're saying, this is what I thought about. This is my plan and my goal. And you're going to write that out. What it is you're going to do, you're going to take that and you're going to put it under a plate. And I need you to let it go. Now, the same thing about the green candle. I want you to hold this candle in your hand and again, visualize whatever it is that you want. You can say, again, I am very happy for my successful business. I'm now making such and such amount of money a year. I now have the clientele. My clientele has now tripled or quadrupled. It is unbelievable. I am very happy. Whatever you want to say. Now, I do want to tell you this. If the candle is big enough, you can actually carve into the candle your name. You can carve in there your business or your job. And you can put on there success. Or you can put your name and then you can write success. These are little things that you can do. This type of candle here is very small, so you can hold it in your hand and program it. Other candles that are bigger, you can actually write on it. Now, the next thing you're going to do is that you're going to light the candle. Now, once you light the candle, I want you then to sprinkle some sunflower seeds around the candle, okay? And it's going to help grow whatever it is you put into that candle to bring it about in your life. Now, when you do this, I do need you to sit and focus on the candle while it's burning. I use these a lot because they burn down within 30 minutes. So at the same time, you could be doing your 369, you could be doing scripting, you could do prayer work, whatever it is you want to do. And this candle will burn down very quickly. Let me show you how this is going to look. Thank you, God, for blessing me with a successful career. Thank you, God. I give this to you. Thank you, God. I give this to you. Thank you, God, for blessing me with a successful career. At this moment, I'm making $450,000 a year. My clientele is growing. I am successful in ways that expected and unexpected ways. God, I want to thank you for this because I am truly very happy. Thank you, God, for blessing me with this career. Thank you, God, for blessing me with this career. Thank you, God, for blessing me with this career. I am now successful. God, as I put these sunflower seeds around my candle, I know that everything is working well, and I am totally blessed. God, I thank you, and I thank you, and I thank you for blessing me. Then you might want to say something like, with this candle, I find my way to make my passion bear fruit. I start my venture from today, and for the stars I will shoot. Again, I will repeat what I just said. With this light, I find my way to make my passion bear fruit. I start this venture from today, and for the stars I'll shoot. And that is it. Now, what are you going to do with everything after it burns down? You can leave it on your altar for a little while and then get rid of it later. Or you can get rid of it right away, you can bury it, or you can take it and put it in a little bag and place it in your place of business, or carry it with you in your pocketbook. Now, as an extra tip, another thing that you guys can do that will help bring in success with your business or with your career is to use the little leftover pieces from the bay leaf bag. A lot of people ask me, Yvette, what do I do with the leftover pieces or the broken pieces of the bay leaves? Now, sometimes you have little crumbs, I call it. You could take those and sprinkle it around the candle also. Bay leaves will also clear out any negativity, at the same time bring in abundance. As an extra tip, I want to tell you guys what is the best day to do something like this. There will be 2 days for me to do this, and that would be a Sunday and a Thursday. Why Sunday? Sunday is for anything you're trying to do to help it grow. So when we're talking about business growth or career growth, Sunday will be the day. Again, Sunday represents the sun. At the same time, sunflower seeds, you guys, represent the sun. It represents growth. So the best day is Sunday. Now, if you're talking about building money, building your career, and making extra money, another day will be Thursday, because Thursday is the day of Jupiter. It is the day of abundance. And these are the 2 days that I would do this ritual. Now, as an extra bonus, what moon phase would I do this type of ritual? I would do it on a day of the waxing moon. Why? Because this is a time when everything grows, and this is what we're trying to do. My last tip that I want to give you guys is never leave a burning candle alone. If you're going to do something like this, you have to stay with the candle. And if you decide that you cannot stay with the candle, then I'm asking you to snuff it out. Okay, everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and I just gave you a simple ritual using sunflower seeds and a green candle to manifest a successful business or a successful career. If you want to know anything about My World of Metaphysics, or if you want to buy any of these things, please look in the description. Everything is there. If you want to support this channel, please watch the next video, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. Again, this is Yvette, and namaste.